Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce a special product, the BISSELL Little Green 1400B, a versatile portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. This isn't just your ordinary cleaning machine, it's a powerful ally in maintaining the cleanliness of your living and working spaces. With its strong suction, exclusive tools like the HydroRinse self-cleaning nozzle and crevice tool, along with its mobile and versatile design, this machine will effectively tackle any dirt and odors. If you want to learn more about this product and its amazing features, stay tuned to our video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to catch all our latest updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.